Come on England, my prediction 2-1. Come on the lads. See you tomorrow.
Then plays it into Sterling. That will do nicely.
So football's coming home apparently. 1-0. I said 2-1, so not too far off. England win, 3 points in the bag. Good start, lads. So it's now Monday. Fresh week, reselling in progress, cracking on with all the stuff I've picked up, plus the bit of a backlog that I've got going on. So I've laid out everything I bought, spent a nice amount again, and we've got a nice amount of stuff. We're off the table, we're on the chair, we're on the floor. So yeah, I might not be able to go into detail on each individual item, but obviously I'll show you what I got, what I spent, and then what I'm hoping to list it for online to feed the kids, I guess. That will soon be free. So lots to get through. We'll start on the chair. I'll try and remember what I paid if I can. We'll start with this Dyson. Doesn't come with the charger, it's just the main unit. It's got a battery, it's got the wall holder, it's got a couple of accessories with the tube. So for £10 I think it was I paid for this. Well worth the price of £10, even if this isn't working. I could buy a charger for cheap online, complete it, sell it as it is for hopefully 45-50ish. But these parts alone go for money. Got a motorhead type thing here, like a mini one. Dyson branded, that'll sell on its own, maybe 15ish pound just for that on its own, maybe a bit more. Then the bigger one with the hose. I could even split out the hose, sell the hose on its own and sell the heads as well. Then could even sell this dust bucket as well and the wall holder. Dyson's, even if they're not working the main unit, you can still get loads of money in the accessories. Sometimes even if the unit is working, you get more money splitting everything out. So yeah, £10, money safe, job done. This was quite cool, nice sort of vintagey type lamp, like adjustable, like for reading and things. What's it called? This is the Very Lux, I think that says. Happy Eyes. Nice, it's got the manual as well. Tested it, it's working nicely, great condition, really well looked after. £5 I paid for this one. This is an easy £30-35 plus the postage, like a lamp, so that was nice to find. Buggy Board. I wouldn't have picked this up because I'll leave this in a minute. But buggy boards, obviously they're attached to buggies and prams, and then the toddlers, as you're walking along pushing the buggy, they can stand on there so you don't have to carry them and then they have to walk if they get tired. But usually with these, it attaches to the buggy using a strap, and then you're supposed to undo the strap so you can use them again. But for some reason people cut them off, which is what's happened here. I'm guessing they've cut them off, chucked them away, and trying to sell the buggy board as it is. Might be able to sell this as it is. I've paid £5. I noticed the straps weren't there straight away, so I did leave it. But then I did see this, which was official buggy board as well. This is the buggy board saddle. It clips on, I think, so instead of standing on the buggy board, the toddler can then sit down, which is quite cool. And this on its own can go for £35-ish, 35-40. So I'll try and sell that with no straps. I'm not sure how well that would go, but for £5 I was willing to get this just for £5 on its own anyway. Again, another £35, nice easy sale. These are high in demand, they're like top sellers every year. We had one ourselves when the girls were younger. Come to the shoes that weren't from Shoes and Boots, man. That's just all from him, that one buy. We'll quickly go through these. These are £3. Got Bertie sort of brogue boots, really nice looking things. I think these are a size 8, really nice looking things, really good condition. £3, should hopefully be, again, 30-ish pounds, 30-35. Really nice pair of Air Force Ones, nice pink ones, well looked after. Don't look hardly worn at all. No marks to the toes, really nice condition. These are a 6.5 UK. Had to pay, I think it was 15, was it, for these? So paying up a little bit because they're not just plain white. These are like slightly different, like slightly higher on the ankle here, and like a nice pink colour, rose gold tongue. Yeah, they should be, again, that's price 35-40, so not bad. And with trainers, obviously don't mind paying up a little bit because they're just so easy to picture, list, sell, post out, etc. So yeah, well happy with that. This is on the second boot sale, pair of Prada sort of leather flip-flop type things. They're Prada, made in Italy as well down there. So there's a couple of designer things on their table, but these were, I think I paid 10 for these. These should be, hopefully, again that price range, 35-40, hardly worn again, really good condition, obviously good name. They should fly out with good profit as well. Another standard trainer here, £3 or £4 I paid for these. I can't quite remember now, but these are worth £20 all day long. 20-25, easy stuff. Nice pair of Air Maxes, nice and clean, hardly worn again. Not even a bit of dirt on the bottoms there, but they are used. Probably worn 1 or 2 times. Look at that, really nice condition. Asking 25, paid £22.50. We met in the middle. Yeah, well worth it for these. Really good size. I think these are a size 10 actually. No, size 9. Average men's size, so really good there. 22.50 into hopefully 50 to 60. Alpine Stars, like kids biker boots. Well, I think they're kids or just like women's. Size 4, I think that is. Or size 3 UK. I was umming and ahhing at £10. I know Alpine Stars is good anyway for like men's sizes. But there's a bit of wear and things to like the faux leather. I'll have to scrape that off, try and make it look a bit tidier. But Alpine Stars for a tenner. Took the risk, hopefully get 40 to 50 with the condition. If they start to linger around, drop it down to 35. Yeah, then they should sell. So even with the condition, it's a good name, clean them up, should still sell. Nice Harry Potter Scene It game, bit of a bolo. Got this for £1. It's all there, got the DVD and everything. These go up to Amazon, so I can add it again to my growing pile of Amazon stuff, and that should sell for about 30-35. No problems. These are cool. A couple of caps. Apparently had some NFL ones, but I just missed out on them, it seems. £1 each. We've got Liverpool, Pride of Merseyside, like early 90s. Looks really cool. And here, the proper team, Gunners, Arsenal FC. Actually, really unusual because it's black and green, pink and orange. No red at all for the Arsenal colours. But again, £1. Looks definitely 90s again, maybe 80s even. Price range probably 10 to 15, not major money in baseball caps unless you've got something really special. But yeah, bit of fun and cool to see some like vintage football stuff, so that was cool. And drop that again. Boxed feeders, these are like pink glossy type, again really good condition. Look like they were worn once again, very nice. I think these were 10, I think, and because of the condition and the colour, hopefully more £30 for these ones. With the box as well, which is handy. Got these two for £7 each. Vans off the wall, I think they're exactly the same. Like a leather finish with a zip back, like a tartan finish as well. Again, really good condition, like conditions on its side for most of these trainers today, apart from them biker boots. So there's one which came with the box, and then 2 exactly the same and the exact same size I think as well. I think these are a bit bigger. Really good condition, again nice and clean, unusual design with the box. £7 each into hopefully £25-30 each. Again, not blow away, but just paying them bills month on month, turning that money over. That's what it's all about sometimes. This was a bargain. £1. Took a chance. Braun, a wet and dry S3 shaver. Obviously got to charge it up, make sure it's working. For £1, worth the try. Should hopefully be £20 if working, 20-25. If it lingers around, then drop the price. But from £1 as a small parcel, always taking that. So you've got like an additional shaver for like your sideburns or by your moustache or whatever. And also it's nice and clean on the inside. Sometimes that could be right gunk basically, and it's disgusting, but nice and clean and nice and cheap. Got a bit of a bundle of vintage stuff here. We've got the Sankyo Dulux 1000 with a reel, and there's another mini like projector thing and a projector screen. I was only interested in this really, but paid £15 for the lot. This should hopefully be 40 to 50 if all tested and working. Looks nice and clean again, so should be working. And if it's not, I can change the band, no problem. So there's the money straight away. Then we've got the additional things. So the smaller ones, probably £20. The screen's a bit of a pain. There should be another £30-35. Just a bit of a pain to pack and picture and things, but yeah, it folds away nicely. Tuck it in the corner and wait for it to sell. This was unusual, actually, while I'm here. This is a parcel shelf for a Sephira. People either use them or they don't use them. People take them out of the cars, they're just getting away and they sell them. But then on the other hand, on eBay, some people haven't got them when they've bought a second-hand car and they want the parcel shelf. So they come to eBay to buy them. As I said, this is for the Sephira. Just got to see what ages or what like years this one is from. It pulls out and retracts and things. So yeah, a nicer one to get. £5, hopefully £50 in this. Obviously a bit longer again, a bit more awkward to pack, but well worth it if I'm getting 50 quid in return. Free electronics. We'll come to this one first. I think this was first pickup of the whole day. Nice Phillips Crt TV. This was £7, £7 or £8. Again, retro gamers like this stuff. It's got an area at the back, so it'll take aerial type consoles. Might even be black and white, I'm not sure. I haven't actually plugged it in yet, but it should be working. Not a lot can go wrong really. From £7, this should be, as it sits, hopefully 40 to 50 again. Nice retro design. This sometimes goes to production companies, so TV shows, theatre shows, things like that. They normally buy this sort of thing. Loads of boxes to send it out with, so yeah, send it to the world. Whoever wants it, come get it. This was bought from a subscriber and saved some money because they watch my videos. They were asking 20, I got it for 10. Didn't even have to ask the question, so I really appreciate that if you are watching this. Again, another CRT TV, and this one's a bit different because we've got a video player and the DVD. Don't regularly see combis on a CRT TV, so that was really nice. Nice speakers on the side. I think this is the original remote control. He wasn't sure, but I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, that's really nice. £10. Again, hopefully 50, 60 on this one. Maybe a little bit more. I'm not sure. I have to do a bit of research because it's got the combi. So you've got your videos, you've got your DVDs, you can play your retro games. It's got the complete package. So yeah, maybe even pushing 80. Not sure yet, but yeah, we'll soon see. But from 10, always going to be money in it. This one was very nice. This is from the first boot sale. Seller's got here a bit later. I'm trying to get it down, one sec. It turned up a bit later. Got this out on the floor, grabbed it straight away. Got it for £10. It's a Panasonic RX18 VHS compact video camera. £10. Always snapping the hand off, especially with the box. They said it's all working, and I have actually plugged it in and it's working like a treat. You can tell it's well looked after. Obviously it's got the box, it's got the manual, it's got the chargers, it's got spare tapes. Here you go. This is what it takes. This is a VHS compact, basically like a video, like a VHS, but a bit smaller. And even more of a treat was this was inside. It's brand new, unused. The original tapes come undone, so brand new. I can open it and show you. Basically, to watch your compact VHSs, you need a normal sized VHS to watch it on. Yeah, it's still in its cellophane, so I can't actually show you unless this is on it. Here we go. You put your compact one into this big one. It loads it up, and then you can watch your VHSs like regular. Be a brand new, never been used. So this alone is worth the £10 I paid for the whole unit. This video camera, as it stands, this is hopefully £50, £60, and this brand new and sealed, hopefully £40-ish as well. Believe it or not, amazing. Obviously, to watch your compact videos, you need one of these, and these aren't cheap. This is an original one. It's got a JVC, it's a good brand behind it, and it's brand new, never been used, so there shouldn't be any problems with it. So there we go, 50 to 60 on that, 40 to 50 on this. Amazing result. Really happy with that. Probably my favourite pickup of the day, this one. And then we've got a £170 spend with my shoes and boots guy. He keeps this stuff like back for me, so even if I get there late, I went round the other stores. I came to him last before I left, and obviously he knows me. I've got his number now actually. I did take his number down, so throughout the winter I can hopefully pick up some more stuff that he gets. So yeah, most of this stuff, I'm pretty sure 75% of this was still in his van, boxed up, ready for me to pick through. So 170 quid. I won't go for each one, but here we go. We've got stuff like this, Air Maxes, really big sizes. This is a size 12. This should be 50-ish pounds just on its own, just like that. Another pair of Air Max, again, nice big size. I think these are a 9. They look like a 9 or an 8 there. Nice and clean, easy sellers. Another Air Max there, very nice. Pumas, Air Force Ones. Got some Adidas Predator boots there, slightly newer design. Air Force One, slightly different design. Timberlands, Nike TNs there, Dr. Martens as well, and brand new Adidas Predators, laceless ones, really nice. So £170 for this, all good sizes. Just a little clean up on a couple of them. Like these are only £10. Just give them a quick clean. As you know, 25, 30-ish for them, like a men's size. Something like this is going to go for a bit more, 50, 60. Again, here, 50, 60, maybe a bit more for these. They're really nice. Dr. Martens, hopefully again 50, 60. yeah, awesome pickup and an awesome contact to have. Especially now I've got his number throughout the winter. That is everything. That is a lot of stuff to get through, especially with the growing Amazon pile and then have to get through. And there's all the stuff that I'm backing up on anyway. Backing up now because obviously Amy's coming towards the end. We've got 6 weeks to go until little boy is due. So obviously I'm trying to help Amy out at the house, trying to do this at the same time, trying to do videos, trying to do Instagram, trying to do Facebook, answer questions. I'm very busy, as you can tell. Got a nice break coming this weekend though, off to Centre Parks again. We love it there. So a nice breakaway, switch off the phone and things, just forget about it. It's only Friday till Monday. Mother-in-law's looking after the dogs. So yeah, recharge the batteries again. So no boot sales from me this weekend. Going to the midweek one on Wednesday, of course. Can't miss that one. That's my favourite. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with this. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Nice sunny day again. Nice full stuff. Nice lot of profit to be made. I've run out of things to say. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. See ya. Come on, England.